How to cook American-style lamb dishes. American lamb is a delicious and versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. Whether you are grilling a rack of lamb for a special occasion or slow cooking a lamb shank for a comforting meal, there are many ways to prepare and cook American lamb dishes. In this article, we will explore some tips and techniques for cooking American lamb dishes that are sure to impress. Choosing the right cut of lamb. The first step in cooking American lamb dishes is choosing the right cut of lamb. Different cuts of lamb have different textures and flavors, and some cuts are better suited for certain cooking methods than others. For example, lamb chops and racks are great for grilling or roasting, while lamb shanks and shoulders are better for slow cooking or braising. Seasoning and marinating. Seasoning and marinating are important steps in cooking American lamb dishes. Lamb has a strong, distinct flavor that can be enhanced with the right seasonings and marinades. A simple marinade of olive oil, garlic, and herbs like rosemary and thyme can add delicious flavor to a grilled lamb chop or rack. For slow-cooked lamb dishes like stews and braises, a marinade of red wine, tomato paste, and herbs can add depth and complexity to the dish. Grilling and roasting. Grilling and roasting are popular methods of cooking American lamb dishes, as they allow the natural flavors of the lamb to shine through. When grilling or roasting lamb chops or racks, it is important to make sure the meat is at room temperature before cooking. This helps to ensure even cooking and a tender, juicy result. Season the lamb with salt and pepper and grill or roast until the meat is charred on the outside and cooked to your desired level of doneness on the inside. Slow cooking and braising. Slow cooking and braising are great methods for cooking tougher cuts of American lamb, like shanks and shoulders. The low and slow cooking process helps to tenderize the meat and infuse it with flavor. To slow cook or braise lamb, start by searing the meat in a hot pan to develop a crust. Then, transfer the lamb to a slow cooker or Dutch oven and add vegetables, herbs, and liquid like red wine or broth. Cook the lamb on low heat for several hours until it is tender and falls off the bone. Serving suggestions. American lamb dishes can be served in a variety of ways, depending on the cut of lamb and the cooking method used. Lamb chops and racks can be served with a simple side salad or roasted vegetables, while slow-cooked lamb shanks and shoulders are often served with mashed potatoes or rice. For a more Mediterranean-inspired dish, try serving grilled lamb with a side of tzatziki sauce and a Greek salad. Recipe ideas. Here are some recipe ideas for cooking delicious American lamb dishes. Grilled lamb chops with herb marinade. Marinate lamb chops in a mixture of olive oil, garlic, rosemary, and thyme for at least an hour. Grill the lamb chops until they are charred on the outside and cooked to your desired level of doneness on the inside. Slow-cooked lamb shanks with red wine. Sear lamb shanks in a hot pan and transfer to a slow cooker. Add chopped onion, carrots, celery, garlic, and a mixture of red wine, tomato paste, and herbs like rosemary and thyme. Cook on low heat for several hours until the lamb is tender and falls off the bone. Roasted rack of lamb with mustard and herb crust.